Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome here at Banana Court in Las Piñas City. It's the battle between your Valenzuela Progress versus your Davao Alwyn Feeds. It's the second season of your Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Introducing your starting lineup for Valenzuela Progress. At guard, number 0, John Patrick Himan. Also playing guard, number 26, Jig Soriaga. Playing forward, number 5.
Our do-ride bola ng Pinoy team starters. For Davao, we have Perito, Ladesma, Balita, Gontiñas, and Samortin. For Valenzuela, we have Soriaga, Ayman, Dandin, Rojas, and De Leon. Again, this is the 16 under division. And right now, we are awaiting the start of our jump ball. Valenzuela again came off a loss. Both teams actually faced Mika Wine in their last games, but ito namang Davao won as the first bucket of the ball game going. Yung mga talo nga nila, no, sabi ni Coach Jun Dause, hindi naman ganun kalala. Because again, they just lost by 4. And if you're gonna look at the stats, I mean, they had a lower percentage, but they had more makes from both the overall field goal and the 2-point area. Same with the offensive boards and the total rebounds. Mas marami din sila, not to mention the steals as well. So, you know, if you're gonna account for that, we won't say it's a bad game, but, you know, just the breaks of the game kaya sila natatalo.
Right, and of course, Coach Jun Dause, the legendary, we can call it na ano, yung medyo old school yung style nitong si Coach Jun Dause.
Well, let's see if that old school style shall, you know, prove to be effective in our ball game today. Davao Kingthorn.
Open underneath.
Again, Raymond Cabuello, 16 points, 11 boards in their last outing. A double-double performance and looking to repeat that one, but this time a three-pointer registered. Courtesy of number 26, that is Jig Soriaga. And rebound by Davao, and here they go. And a foul going to be committed as Simon Salvacion appeared to be open, but
Yes.
that is now, that won't count.
Nicomedes Chunaco.
Take another look on what exactly happened. So there was some intense contact from Chunaco and Soriaga. Another angle right here. So Yoro tried to give it to Chunaco and then tried to give to Salvacion, but yan, a foul before.
That the scores of Davao Kingthorns are coming from anybody who's in the floor, no?
Yeah,
Not just from one guy.
Yeah, Baluyot actually got no score in their last game, but now
Talagang lagi siyang mapupunta sa free throw line.
meanwhile, both teams answering back with short stabs. So it's now still a 3-point lead, but it's 35-32. 19 seconds remaining. Davao, no more fouls to give. As Coach Jun Dause takes this lull as an advantage to talk to his players. But again, since no more fouls to give for Davao, it'll be free throws for Jig Soriaga. Again, didn't score in their last outing. Actually played only under 2 minutes in that ball game, but now able to tally points still early in this ball game before halftime. So you gotta love that factor na again yung open-mindedness na ating coaches na again, even though, you know, I'm not familiar with your game, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to score and see what you can do. For the Valenzuela City Progress, again, both teams still a close fight, and this was fast break opportunities. And for Davao, I mean, they've been finding their shots, but, you know, well, counting right now.
And this is it is going to be very exciting. Basically, it will be the D League of course, of the main MPBL, no? But it is going to be handled by Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. So 21 under the D League of Junior MPBL.
And I think
yun nga, pwede pang sumali.
And I think it's called D-League because, again, if you're eligible for that, and once you play after that 21 under league, you know, teams from the MPBL mainly can recruit you, can pick up players from that said D-League. So again, definitely a big development, big opportunity for the kids. As we see Jig Soriaga, first bucket of the third quarter, a three-pointer for Valenzuela. And 4 players in double figures for Valenzuela. Talk about their first win. And we see the celebration.
Right.
And our final score, 82-77. But still props to Davao again, from trailing by as much as 22 points, able to cut it to just 3 or 4 in the last minutes.